Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to cover how your engineering team can work together as a unit in covering different areas of not only SolidWorks, but the engineering process in general, how each team member can specialize in a set of tasks to cover the entire umbrella of what is manufacturing and product development and engineering. So you're going to consist this team of designers, engineers, machinists, etc., to work together to accomplish whatever company goals you're trying to meet in the engineering department. I'm going to show you how your team can specialize in these areas to operate more efficiently as a unit. With that said, I have a free SolidWorks guide in the description. Don't miss out. Be sure to check that out. Join my Patreon for full-length exclusive SolidWorks content. Subscribe to the channel. With that said, let's get started. So here are some specialties, this first set of how your engineering team can be specialized in each area using SolidWorks. You want to have one person or a few people just doing one of these things. You don't want one person doing everything. That's stretching them too thin. You want to hire the right people that have these skill sets in the right area. Number one is drafting and creating 2D drawings. So in SolidWorks, you want someone that's really skilled and has a lot of practice and training in creating detailed drawings with detailed dimensions, views, and the right tolerances for the part to then hand off to the machine shop, or if you have in-house manufacturing, or if you're contracting, to pass to them to actually do a good job in making the part. A lot of machine shops get frustrated when they don't have the right prints. So you want someone that's skilled at making these drawings, and even assembly drawings that lists, the bill of materials. That is super helpful for manufacturing your parts. This will provide tremendous value for your company. Next is sustaining engineering. So someone that is processing what's called ECRs, or engineering change requests, basically taking that part and revising it to the next revision level to improve it, whether it's a small change or a big change. You want someone that is always improving on existing parts, assemblies, and product lines to improve the quality or the strength or the lifetime of the product so that the customer stays happy. You want someone that can put together internal documentation if needed, whether it's assembly line instructions, diagrams, etc., to improve their efficiency there. So sustaining engineering is really important. You want somebody that can specialize in that, and they can use SolidWorks, both modeling, simulation, and drawings to accomplish that. For process improvement, you want someone that is skilled in, Six Sigma and other efficiency type frameworks that can improve your assembly lines. Someone that has the mechanical background and SolidWorks background that can design jigs and fixtures for improving efficiency in manufacturing lines, assembly lines, making the processes much quicker and faster. That can shave off, times to assemble something so that you can save the company money. This will be a big help and tremendous value in saving the company time and money. Process improvement. Continuing on, you want a PDM manager, someone that's going to control and manage your data vault, where all your SolidWorks files are stored in the database. So all the part files, all the assembly files, all the drawing files, you want someone that can organize that correctly. You want someone with a mechanical engineering background that can lead the team, that can review drawings checked in and out, part revisions submitted. You want someone approving these part revisions and releasing them, locking down those files once they get released. Because it's a lot to manage, you're going to want someone that specializes in this. It's very important for managing your SolidWorks data. Next, we have new product development. So you want a design engineer, a product engineer that has a 3D printing and rapid prototyping background that can quickly come up with new interesting ideas, do market research, on competitors, how to come up with new product ideas and designs, and quickly design them in SolidWorks and test them out. Very important in improving your company's bottom line. For advanced assemblies, you want someone that has SolidWorks background in creating complex, large assemblies and even assembly drawings with large bills of materials. So having someone specialize in that can save your team a lot of time and stress. Lastly, we have a simulation engineer. So you want someone with a lot of SolidWorks simulation training that can take the designs of all the other team members and run FEA analyses on these parts to validate the design, make sure the strength is sufficient enough. Guys, simulation is super important, as you already know. Speaking of which, again, I have a free FEA guide in the description. It's all yours. Check out my Patreon for exclusive SolidWorks content. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, on how your engineering company's team can work more efficiently by specializing in different SolidWorks areas. Subscribe to the channel for future videos. We'll see you next time.